Welcome to another exciting episode of Bass Brothers Fishing DMV. We are at it again. Had a good time at Burke Lake in Virginia on Tuesday. We're out at Piney Run Lake today. And what's the plan?
The plan is we're gonna sit here and catch fish. That's the plan. But yeah, this is a lake that's known for these lily pads and stuff, but it's kind of early in the season. But we're still gonna try to pitch in there a little bit.
Yeah.
And, but we're gonna get it in today.
Hopefully some topwater today. That really hasn't kicked off yet. I haven't gotten a topwater fish yet.
Neither one of us.
You got one.
Oh yeah, well, sort of.
He was plopping right over there, so we're gonna go right behind you and try that out. Water temps is 68 degrees. It's gonna be partly cloudy today. Winds about 8 to 10 miles per hour. So good conditions. Let's get it in.
Yes, sir. There you go.
Oh, gotcha.
You got him?
Yep. Yep. And I waited too.
I'm putting on the frog, bro. You just answered my question. What's that, second cast?
Third. Small dink, but
Sorry.
a bass nonetheless on the frog. All right, so first frog fish, 2019, first frog.
Second cast?
Second cast. All right, so this little guy decided to bless us this morning. Second cast in, frog. His mouth looked barely big enough to get around the frog, but yep, there he is. And as usual, we always take pictures of the first fish, just in case.
All right, first cast, 2019 frog. Oh, that's not how you start. Let's try that again. First cast, 2019 frog fishing.
There you go. Grab like that. There you go. First frog, buddy. You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
Huh?
Yeah, I got him. Little dinky dink.
There you go. First frog, go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Little,
First frog.
little dink. First frog fish ever. All right. Was a little tiny blow up because of course he's a tiny fish, but my inaugural frog catch. All right, buddy. Thank you for popping my cherry on the frog.
So I had to break out the snack of the Bass Brothers. That would be Haribo's Twin Snakes. This is our good luck candy. Naeem got me hooked on these things, and it's been a fishing staple with us for now our second season. So here we go.
I didn't get anything in the cove. Switching over to a spinner bait. Got some wind blowing. Got the War Eagle. I think this is a 1/2 ounce or 3/8. Got the purple 2 blades. Let's see if we can make something happen off this point. Got the wind to our backs and the fish in front of us, hopefully.
Gotcha.
Ooh, nice one too.
I didn't set the hook very well. Whoa, okay. All right.
I think he's no, he's hooked on the top of the mouth.
Yeah. Right in the top of the mouth, like you said. Right here. Literally right here. Decent sized bass. Top of the mouth. Give me a second, I'll have you out. There we go. Alright, so I got this guy on the spinner. Gotcha. 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 Yes, sir. That was in the water 3 seconds. Why is he coming in weird? There we go. Gotcha. Gotcha. All right, so we were gone at least a couple hours without a bite. This guy graced us. Naeem brought us over to the side where we generally catch fish. We caught last time here, and we've just caught again. Wind is kind of picking up though. I got this guy on the sexy shad. All right, buddy. I know you're ready to go. Let's go ahead and release you.
That didn't work.
Nah, he says I have different plans.
Hey, can you borrow that motor? Come on, man, give me that motor, man.
All right, man. I'm gonna bring it to you in a second.
I'm gonna leave it for you over there.
Hey, your motor is stronger than mine, man.
Unless I'm getting bamboozled.
Uh-huh. Got him. Yeah. Drag was bad when I set the hook. Drop shot, yeah. Stay down, buddy. Stay down. Oh, he choked it. He tried to swallow it. All right, that broke the silence. Something told me to just throw a drop shot. Look at his belly, it's pretty thick. Something said just throw the drop shot in the middle. Yeah. There you go, buddy. Got 2 bluegill on the bed. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. They're either laying eggs or fertilizing them, or both. Oh yeah, he's chasing away the minnows. That's pretty cool. Hope you guys can see this. Got a male and a female on the bed, bluegill. Anything that comes near it, they chase it away. Little minnows, yep, he just chased off one and he's back. Oh, there goes the little minnow. Get away, get away. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So the eggs must be there already. All right, I'll leave him alone. Is he bank fishing? We'll get to see what they see.
So that's what that plant is.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a root or something. It's like copper. We should still go in further.
Got 2 bluegill on the bed just swimming around, and little minnows come up to chase them off.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm. So that means bass are definitely post spawn, because bluegill spawn after bass. Well, that about does it, guys. We caught about 5 bass today. Pretty much a slow day. Was really surprised. The qualities, the conditions were pretty good. Heading to a big reservoir in about 2-3 days. So stay tuned for that video. Hit that like button so you can see what comes up next. Subscribe to the channel. Bass Brothers Fishing. We are out. Woo, 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 woo.